guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be talking about a tropical system. This is just us looking at precipitation. This area is going to be, this area here is going to be warm pretty soon. Well, this whole East Coast here is going to be warm pretty soon, but most of where you guys live are gonna be cold after this Clipper system pass. It's just gonna bring cold conditions down, and mainly about the tropical system. But let's go ahead and look at the tropical system. Yesterday's run, 926. This is very concerning. Yesterday, it's fairly far out, 294 hours. But yeah, and today's run's a little bit different. Has it much weaker, but it's had a major hurricane. Back, but the National Hurricane Center has not marked it yet. Let me get this down here and there. So as we can see, of course, tropical system moving out, probably going to be less favorable. It's not going to be a Dorian, don't worry, but if it were, here's kind of a Dorian's path. Then hit Grand Bahama, then went up, hit there, then yeah. But if we look here, GFS kind of having it doodling around over here, probably gonna be like that. Then it has it hitting Cuba. Then it has it kind of moving out. Oh wow, cool auto. I don't like auto. Look at that. But it kind of has it doodling around. But yeah, so Cuba, be on lookout. Definitely be on lookout. I've recently checked my stats, and it said 52 of you are not in the United States, my subscribers. So if you're in Cuba, please stay safe. If you're in Puerto Rico, you're gonna get some heavy rain and gusty winds from this tropical wave here. That's a nice circle. But yeah, so let's go ahead and move on to here again, and let's check out today's model run and refresh the page because it hasn't updated. So Tuesday, October 13th. Today is October 14th. So now let's change that to 06 Wednesday. Now I am about to move it out. We have a, let's just talk about this for a second. Very, very weak system right here. A very weak storm up in Canada now. What used to be, this used to be part of the big storm. This is all snow. This doesn't look like it. Let's go ahead and move it out. Yeah, it still has a storm. Of course, has a major hurricane. It just doesn't grow as fast, but it still grows pretty rapidly. 971, then has a peak around 958. So it kind of takes a track like this. It's definitely not as strong as yesterday. Then moves out. Oh well, I hate automatic. I wonder why it does that. Well, that's what it does, but this, yeah, it goes like that. It moves, probably gonna move out, become extra tropical system, die out right here. But let's check out the European model. Let's see if it has anything coming into this area where most people live, where this could make impact. Let's see, let's move it out. So it has some convection, some rain, I should say. It does have it getting pretty active down here with big waves of rain. It isn't a tropical wave from Africa, but It's getting a little bit more moist, I should say, down there. They're getting a lot more rain. Delta was also a big impact. See, it came off one of these waves from Africa, which kind of late in the season, but you know what happens. Still, nothing here, something entering the Gulf. And then these rain band things coming in here. I think this is last night's run. Just showing you last night's run, and yeah, it really stops there. Another convective burst. Interesting wave band going into, and it had a little pressure, but then it died off. So yeah, this is what's at the end. Now let's refresh the page. Refresh it. Wow, I hate ants. Anyway. Forecast valid time for the sunlight hour. So it would have updated. Oh wow. Okay, look at me. There we go. Okay. So I'm sorry about that. Now we are on the right track. So let's go to European high resolution. Then go to Gulf. Okay. Let's move it out now. And it has moisture, like we said. I think GFS had around, right now it'd be hour 186, something like that. And we can see stuff coming into the Gulf of Mexico. It's just the European doesn't really catch on to the system that well. But yeah, that's it for that 5-day tropical Atlantic outlook. Nothing there. Let's check on the loop here, and it's still surviving, still being severely sheared. Right here, it's trying to get convection over here, but although convection's mainly to here, I don't think it's gonna form. It could become a tropical cyclone up here, but you can see these fast-moving cirrus clouds just shearing the system apart. And let's check one thing on the I can't do this. On the nor'easter. Boom, right there. So we could have a possible developing nor'easter here. Possibly developing right here. It's a little far out. Then snowstorm up here. I could go on for days about the possibilities, but that isn't the point. This is a pretty large snowstorm. 997, I have a feeling it'd be right there, but you can always push it back. And yeah, so it has a system here. It has so many systems, it's just hard to talk about on the European model. It's just chaos on the European model. System after system. Yeah, it's a bit of a mess. But here is a nor'easter real quick. Makes it having landfall, quote. Don't quote me on that. Don't. But, yeah, there it is. There's where the system was. Here's where, what did I draw that? I forgot. Such bad memory. But here's the system making landfall. Not bad of a nor'easter, curling up. Probably some strong gusty winds. And let's check out the GFS model, and let's move it back out to about when it has it there. So hour 6. Does it even have it anymore? There it is. So it has it as very weak low pressure system, 110. And there's the kind of shape of it, potato. But if we just move it out, it strengthens up here. But that's the only place where it really strengthens. Then it dies off at Greenland, then it re-strengthens and dies off. So yeah, that should be all it for today's video. Very short video, but yeah, I will see you. Actually, before I go, check out my channels. Bertato Plays, my newest channel, and my other channel, Bertato246. Subscribe to me, so I'll be posting my video on, and yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.